Okay, here is a bit of my opinion on screens like this, or shaded screens to block out some sunlight. What you can see here is the owner has put out some plastic pipe to support the stem of the Colocasia pharaoh's mask and a bunch other more colocasia. Now, the reason being is, from what I have observed and seen, and this is based purely on my experience, it's partially shaded like this. I guess this is about 60 or 70% sunscreen, and the problem is the stem, the petioles or the stem, like reaching out quite tall but not so big, and that's causing problem because the leaf grows big but the petioles cannot really support the weight of those leaves. Now, this is not a problem for alocasias. I have my alocasias. I have some of them in direct sunlight. No, they have no problem growing, even the variegated ones. But you can see here that being under shade like this, it doesn't have the same problem that the alocasias does. The petioles has no problem supporting the leaf. As you can see here, there's no problem at all. And the one I got at home, it's even more heavily shaded and they have no problem. The only problem is they're not as big as when they are outside in the 100% sunlight, I would say. As you can see here, the petioles is not it's reasonable size and can support the leaf, and it's not like very not very long like the alocasia does.